Hey everyone, so if you guys are looking for a replacement HVAC heater motor assembly for your Acura CL, consider this replacement here. This is an aftermarket part, but works fantastic. It meets all the OEM specifications. Of super easy to install and assemble. All you do is once you have it in, you connect the harness right there, and this thing starts working very nicely. So consider this one. Just make sure it does fit your vehicle, which is obviously very important. So give this a try. If it does, I highly recommend it.